create this look inspired by Smithadeepak. Let's create this look and do justice to Smithadeepak. So first apply a kohl on your waterline above and below like this. Now apply a kohl with the help of your finger on your lids like this. Do soften the edges as well because we're gonna apply a transition color also. So by the way guys, this is the first time I'm doing a black smoky eye on myself. I had done smoky before, but a softened one, not a pure black smoky eye. So this is the first time. Now we're gonna apply a kajal on our lower lash line also, little outside, so that we can smudge it nicely and create a good smoky effect like this. Smudge this kajal equally on your lower lash line as well. After the smudging part is done, we're gonna take a black eyeshadow from our palette and gonna apply with a flat brush like this. Dab and apply. Don't go above the crease. Apply the shadow till the time you get the exact intensity of a black color which is required. Here I am applying a brown color as a transition shade. Blend and merge it nicely like this. Here I am using a small fluffy brush for the transition shade like this. By doing a small circular motion, you can achieve a perfect transition color like this. Take that same brush and apply it on your lower lash line as well to merge it properly. A good coat of mascara is all required for this black smoky eye. I'm gonna apply some eyelashes after this. If you like it, please go ahead and do so. If you don't like it, then apply a good mascara, 2 coats of mascara, and it'll be sufficient for the lashes. But I like eyelashes, so I'm gonna apply. It's not too heavy, but they are just perfect for the smoky eye. To be honest, I like red lipstick with the black smoky eye, but the trend is nude lipsticks with a dramatic eyes. So I'm gonna apply a nude lipstick with this and create this look. Guys, please do let me know in the comment section if you like this look and if I did justice to this look. And if you need any other topic or you need any other tutorial on the makeup or a skincare, do let me know. I will post it soon. And this is the final look. I think I did justice to her. And thanks Smithadeepak for your videos. They are so nice, motivating, inspiring, and we learn so much as a newcomers. We really look up to you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you so much, and we do so much hard work. Please like, share and follow our videos. Thank you.